So it's been a while. Haven't uploaded anything in a bit, but doing something interesting, so figured I'd take some time and record it. I already started tearing shit down yesterday. Didn't really record much of it. Should've, but didn't. So we'll start from where I am today. So where we are today, I got Beck's Jeep partially torn down. She got in an accident the other night. Met a tree won. Not a good turnout. So cracked the radiator, clearly bent the support in here. Tacoed the condenser. And bent up that lower support width. I'm gonna have to straighten back down because I managed to get a whole donor Jeep. I'm gonna take some parts off of this for mine, taking the rear hatch, this front door, both mine are damaged. I'm gonna be monster lining my Jeep, so they'll get mad. As you can see, I already got everything stripped off of this one I need, short of the front support here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna push the other one out or cut this one out and weld it in. But the lower support on this one's rotten. It's already dented, so it's kind of a whatever. So, start back from here. Gotta get Beck's Jeep in. And I gotta drain what's left of the antifreeze. I don't know if I'm pointing this thing right. And finish ripping it apart. See how this goes. So, start back off from here. I got the Jeep in. I'm gonna insert a clip of time lapse pulling the parts off the other Jeep, just because I have it, and then we'll get going. So we're all back together here. Not too bad. I know it was a lot of time-lapse nonsense and that's not too interesting, but I got it all fairly straight considering how wrapped it was. Bumper cover's still knocked up there, but hood pop's nice. Now, unfortunately, the downside of taking everything off a parts vehicle, these clips were broken, so I kind of had to zip tie. Got to tie it up a little better. I used the original damaged grill and the original damaged bumper. They were pushed out all right. Not perfect, but not bad for a day's work. Well, 2 days, I suppose. I started last night tearing apart the parts Jeep. We'll go see how that's doing. I can show you the center I cut out of it since I didn't record cutting it. So I cut this center section out and welded it all in. I put the smashed hood back on it. Just that way it's got something covering the engine. The engine's actually good in this. Runs really good. But I'm going to be taking this door and this rear hatch, because they're both in great condition and minor damage. We'll take a walk out here. So this big guy is getting monster lined. Guys over at Monster Liner are hooking it up. So yeah, it's really hard to see in the photos. But this door is banged in. And my hatch that's wrapped is actually banged in here and it's rotten behind the wrap. This whole thing's kind of getting rough here. That's why we're going to monster line it. Make it look like new again. So, Jeep's still out here. And we got Matt's XJ, of course. Just put the motor in that. If you follow my Instagram, you would have seen all that. This poor guy's seen some shit. Look at this. So, may or may not have enjoyed all of that. I'm going to try and put some kind of sound or music to the time lapse if I could figure it out. I'm doing all this from my cell phone. So, you can follow me on Instagram. I do all Jeep shit all the time. If you're watching this, you probably already follow me on there anyways. But, have a good one.